Ever wondered what would happen if you put cold water in your ear? It turns out, your inner ear has a special system that helps you maintain balance, and cold water can seriously mess with it. Let's break it down. Inside your ear, there's a structure called the semicircular canals. These three tiny loops are filled with fluid and lined with sensory hairs. Their job? To detect movement and tell your brain which way you're moving. How does it work? Whenever you turn your head, the fluid inside these canals moves. This movement bends tiny hair cells inside, which then send signals to your brain, letting it know your body's position. Sounds simple, right? Now, what happens if you add cold water? When you pour cold water into your ear, the temperature change causes the canal to shrink slightly, making the fluid inside thicker and slower to move. As a result, your ear stops sending proper movement signals to your brain. But here's the problem. Your eyes are still seeing movement, while your ear is telling your brain that you're not moving at all. This contradiction confuses your brain, making you feel dizzy and disoriented. Why do you feel like throwing up? Your brain hates mismatched signals. When it receives conflicting information like you're moving from your eyes and you're not moving from your ears, it assumes something is wrong. In fact, your brain thinks you might have been poisoned. And what does your body do when it suspects poison? It makes you throw up. So, should you try this? Probably not, unless you enjoy dizziness, nausea, and feeling like the world is spinning. This reaction is actually used in medical tests called the caloric reflex test, where doctors deliberately use warm or cold water to check how well your balance system is working. Would you ever try this experiment? Let me know in the comments.